Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is alternate number 2 using the Warm Wishes paper pumpkin kit. So I wanted to make a card out of the little house front and back. So I took apart one of the gift boxes. I cut it here and I cut it here and here. So I end up with the front and the back. Actually, this is the front, sorry, front door, and then the back. And I've used the centerpiece here, and I've cut it down and scored it in the middle so I can make a hinge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put tear and tape on the hinge piece and attach it to the front and the back. Just like this. Okay, and I'm a bit over at each edge, which is just fine. Just tear it off and you're good to go. I'll just tuck that over there for now, and I'll take another piece, and I'm putting a piece near the edge and a piece near the hinge, just so that it doesn't kind of gap and flap around. So we'll put 4 pieces of tear and tape on the one piece, one on either side of the hinge and one on each of the edges. And then we can construct the card, and then we'll stamp the piece for the middle. So what I've done is I've cut this so that it kind of goes in like that. So that's the front. So I need to make sure I'm putting it on this edge here. Nothing like getting your logistics right before you put the sticky stuff down. And I'm coming in right along that edge like that. And then we're going to come in with the front, or the back, I guess. And I want to line this up so that I'm square. So I've got my finger over top of the tape so that I can't actually squash it all the way down just yet. And there we go. There. So now what I've got is a hinged card, and it does kind of catch on itself here. So I'm going to take my scissors and I'm actually going to trim this edge of the roof off. Just like that. So from the front, it's fine. And when you open it up, it doesn't catch. So we've got that like that. I'm going to pop some of the wreaths on the windows. And we're going to stamp a greeting on the inside. I'll put a piece of basic white in so that we can have somewhere to write, because the inside of the box is decorated with that beautiful mossy meadow stripe. So we'll put those on, and then we'll stamp the middle and put the middle in. And of course the middle will be flat mounted so that it's a good writing surface for the greeting. And just like that. And then one more on the other side, and the front of the card is decorated. And there we go, like that. Now, I'm going to stamp the Warm Wishes from Our House to Yours in the Mossy Meadow. I need to make sure I'm straight, like that. There we go. And there's room to write to and from on there. I've cut it out with one of the deckled rectangle dies. I could have used a slightly larger die, but it would have been a bit bulky in the inside. So I wanted something that was a little bit smaller. This gives you a little place to write, and you are good to go. I'll pop that down like that. And there we have alternate number 2 using the gift box turned into a card. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more alternate options.